Wrapping the plumbing job up that another guy was supposed to finish. We'll see how everything flow. Hopefully there's no leaks, but we'll see. No water heaters. This guy stood me up 2 days in a row. So that means he actually gonna make me be a week behind now because of the holiday and everything.
Black piece, that little black piece.
Right here.
Yeah, that one.
You don't mind being on camera, do you? No. It's my boy Mike right here finishing up for me. Need plumbing jobs? Hit him up. Pretty simple.
Yeah, cooking makes it a lot easier, man. Yeah, it's in already. Cut this on the bottom, pop it in.
Probably need to attach that meter to the wall though, huh? So they could read the meter.
It's like a drive-by. This is like a remote.
Yeah.
They don't even come in. They just drive by.
I know what I'm saying. I wanted to kind of attach it to the wall though. I'll do that later though.
You mean the meter?
Nah, the little box, the little gray box.
Oh, this one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got things for it.
Yeah.
It's not even connected, man.
It says not.
No.
It's supposed to be.
That. This ain't for that.
That's
Neptune.
not for that.
It might be.
Yeah, it should be, ain't it? Or that may be a new meter where they read it differently, huh?
This is part of old.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not even connected. Yeah, this is it right here, this remote.
Yeah, that shit right there. Those are new ones,
that's
ain't it?
That's a battery right here.
Yeah, those are new meters, ain't it?
Yeah, that's a battery, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a battery. Okay.
Need some more batteries, shoot. Flashlight.